Hey guys, I'm David. Welcome on my generator channel. If you need a new generator, you are in the right place. So let's take a look at this one to see if it's the perfect one for you and for your needs. So let's go.
DuroMax XP5500EH fuel portable generator, blue-black. Your purchase includes one DuroMax XP5500EH 5000 watt dual fuel hybrid generator with electric start, one oil funnel, one spark plug wrench, tools set, wheels and handle kit, DC charging cables and owner's manual. Portable generator dimensions: 24 liters x 17 watts x 17H. Product weight: 127 pounds. Specifications: noise level 69 decibels. Fuel tank capacity: gasoline 3.96 gallons. Suggested tank size: propane 20 gallons. The ability to run on propane or gasoline allows the freedom and flexibility of fuel. Choice.Horsepower, horsepower 7.5. With 5,500 starting watts and 4,500 running watts, this unit can handle heavy loads from lights and a refrigerator to a home air conditioner and high amperage power tools. Operate at both 120 volts and 240 volts simultaneously, or at 120 only with full power.
So thanks for watching. If you want more information about this product, if you want to know customer review, the price and everything, don't forget to click the link in the description of the video. And before leaving, you can subscribe. Thank you guys. Take care of you. Bye bye.